the ending.
Pia, get down over there. Come on.
Why? I want to be a lizard.
You're not a lizard, baby.
Why?
Because you're my baby.
Because I want to be a lizard.
You're a baby bluebird.
No!
I thought you're the baby bluebird. You told me you're the baby bluebird, right?
Oh, yeah. Bluebird.
How about me?
You're mommy bluebird.
How about me?
You're daddy bluebird.
Gosh. Ew. Recorded to. Lalagay ko to sa YouTube.
Hi.
That's so sad.
Sophia, what did you do today in school? What? Baby?
I'm not going to fight anymore because I am training and good, and I love to play near. I love to go to school. I love to play in the car.
You have friends there?
Yeah, we're going to and I play.
You have. How many friends do you have?
4.
You have 4?
Uh-huh.
That's nice. Do you like your teachers?
Yeah.
Are they nice to you?
Yeah.
Did you call her today?
Yeah.
Can you show me what you did today?
Okay.
Show it to the camera.
This one or this?
Oops.
This one or this?
What's that?
And this one.
What is it?
Ducky,
And then
boat, and
the other one.
and this
What's that?
car.
What color is that?
I don't know.
That's blue.
Oh.
Is that blue?
Yeah.
You did that? All of it?
Mhm.
Are you very good?
Uh-huh.
Can I go to the Philippines now?
No.
Why?
Because I want you, Mommy. But I am the lizard. You're the mommy bluebird, and Daddy is a
Can I go home to the Philippines now?
No.
To Mami Ochi?
No.
Can I go home to my house?
No. Do not live there.
I live there.
You go there.
Yeah.
I sleep in here. I am lizard.
Is it okay to go home now?
Mm-hmm.
To the Philippines?
You are my friend. I don't have one more mommy. I don't like one more mommy.
Daddy will find a new mommy.
I don't like mommies. I don't like no mommy anymore. I want you, mommy. Don't live there.
Daddy doesn't love me anymore.
Because I want you.
Daddy doesn't love me anymore.
I want you right now.
You love me?
Uh-huh.
Say it.
I want you now, mommy.
You say you love me.
I love you, mommy.
Say it nicely.
I don't like Christmas one.
Or just kiss me. If you love me, you will kiss me. Hello?
Hello? Nothing.
Oh, kiss mommy.
Oh, kiss mommy.
I cannot reach you.
I cannot beat you.
Come on.
Come on.
Why are you copying me?
Oh my god.
Why are you covering me?
Stop copying me.
Stop covering me.
Oh no. Okay,
Come on.
buckle up. Buckle up. Come on.
Don't get up, you.
Buckle up, Haley. Go.
Put it down, okay?
Yeah. Come on.
Buckle up. Hey. Boop, boop. Pick up.
Okay, hold on. Buckle up, baby.
Someone.
Hey,
Feel it.
can you lock it now?
Nah.
Okay, say bye-bye.